as it was, I actually listened to the technical briefing that we organized with Emma and with DG Santé last week, and I'm very surprised by your comment, because we answered all the questions, or they answered actually, I think, all the questions that were raised that were the subject of the technical briefing. There were a certain number of questions which were raised which were unrelated to the subject and had more a link to the type of contracts we had signed and information about this. But for all the questions related to the vaccination authorization process, to the vaccine authorization process, I believe that they did a good job in terms of answering the questions. But of course, if you have further questions, I do indeed invite you to transmit them to the agency. Obviously, I can imagine that the agency is extremely busy at this point in time, but they have been extremely reactive, in particular when we asked them to participate to this technical briefing, basically from the evening one day to the early afternoon the following day. And as you will remember, they will be organizing a public event on Friday to answer the public's and the media's questions on the strategy. But we will tell them that you have unanswered questions that you would like to see addressed, and to see if they can make contact with you directly. I entrust Stéphane with this task. Any other questions for Stéphane on health issues? That does not seem to be the case. Thank you, Stéphane. Are there other questions for us today?